gon' carry on, cause I'm strong, Tryna find some peace, they just don't wanna let me be. I supposed to be healing my body, but that's what they don't see. I done seen women say they love but envy me. I don't mean no harm, but I don't need you bend for me. If it ain't through cut, you ain't getting shit from me. I don't know them girls, I don't give no fuck about what they think of me. All of these bodies, they know how we got it. Straight out the street, need to get your shit together before you think about trying to talk about me. Lost from what all I done seen, this shit deeper than a dream. Mama fighting front and tilly, telling me for the call the police. I'm tired, you wrong, them hoes like, but now I still miss my old life. Since then I ain't been right. They killed my cousin, never thought that he would die. Since then I ain't seen you tight. Search for my soul through the night. I done let drive while I let some bullets fly. She called my phone through the day, say she want me in her life. This shit for her. I'm tired of crying. I ain't no quitter, but I'm tired of trying. Can't think of why they hate the way that I am. Just get my kids and you can go. I don't want you in my life, you with it, let me know. Let me know. You got a man, I got a girl, let's not cause any broken home. Still hold it down, carry on because I'm strong. Fuck you and blogs, please just leave me on. Clout, that's a dangerous thing. Doubt that that's changed the things. I'm gonna stay the same. Young boy AI going, man. 2 years ago, she said that I would fall, I wouldn't be inside the game. I'm that nigga, so she ran into the blogs for money and a name. Lame man, so I ain't got no sign. Haters don't like what I'm saying, and they know that we done knocked out brains. But I watch you call a bitch little hoe, mad that she can't get no change. I ain't buy no cup for that bitch, she said. And them other hoes mad, I ain't signed shit over. They said don't call me, bitch, I wrote it. So they pressed that a nigga don't want talk, huh? They don't wanna send my children to my house, huh? Cracking jokes, come and get your baby right now. Bro code hate me, won't fight now. Tell your brother come and make a nigga pipe down. When he come, I'ma hit him with the 4 pound. Try to help that bitch and it made no sound. Like me, bitch, better go and lay down. I done been moved down from my town, but I'm still turned up in your city. All them hoes that you tryna entertain, if I ask, still gon' lick me.